us a look at it. All right, so that should go on there like that.
Yeah, beautiful.
Hey guys, Campbell and Mitch from EGR TV. What we're showing you today is the very first set of EGR fender flares for the Ford Everest. Charlie's lent us his car today. The thing with Charlie's car is he's got these big wide wheels and tyres. We need to put on the EGR fender flares to give him coverage so he stays legal and stays away from the law.
Definitely. You guys have been asking for the EGR flares for Ford Everest forever. Guys, they're available now. Get down to your local EGR reseller and start asking a question.
Alright, let's get this started. Righto guys, so at the moment we're fitting the extrusion onto the EGR fender flares. All of our flares have this, runs on the edge just to close the gap between the fender flare and the car panel. Now our extrusion isn't designed to stick the flare to the car. That's what the fasteners are for. It's only there as a finishing garnish. Okay guys, so what you have to do is you have to integrate your factory mud flaps into the EGR fender flares. So in the EGR fitting instructions, we tell you where to mark it out, where to cut. You then mask up the product. The reason why you put masking tape on is so that when you put your pen on it, you can see where to cut. Black on yellow is better than black on black. Then we notch them out. They sit in a different spot on the fender flare so that they're all integrated so they look factory standard. Okay guys, so we've put all the fastening clips in, we've aligned the flare, and now we're just using that rubber extrusion that I explained to you earlier, just to close the gap between the fender flare and the vehicle panel. This is just a finishing move to make it look neat and tidy. Okay guys, now on the EGR fender flares, whenever there's a front parking sensor integrated into the side of your bumper, we provide a cutout. Now, if your car doesn't have front sensors in this location, we also include a painted cover cap. So if you order black flares, you get a painted black cover cap. These are handed, they've got a little key on them. You sit them on like that, you locate them, they just sit in there neatly, all right? It looks like a parking sensor on a car that doesn't have a parking sensor in that location. Then on the back, you put a plate to hold it in position. You put like a locking washer on it, and then you force it down just with something to bring it home. So on the inside there, we've got a nice cover cap painted, locked off, won't move. On the outside of the flare, looks like we've got a parking sensor, but we don't, but it provides a nice neat finish on the fender flare. So there you have it, guys. EGR Fender Flares fitted on a Ford Everest. We've got them here on a triple black Sport. Big wheels, big tyres, big flares, colour coded. Looks fantastic.
That's right, available from your local EGR reseller very soon. For updates, follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and watch our videos on EGR TV.